Hello everyone and welcome. Today we're diving into the topic of artificial intelligence in dentistry. Join me as we explore some of the latest technologies shaping diagnostics and patient care. At present, AI applications have permeated almost all fields of dentistry. But before we get into actual applications, it's useful to understand a little bit about how it works. Imagine you want to make an AI that can recognize individual teeth on a panoramic radiograph. First, you would need to gather your data, meaning a large enough number of radiographs. Before feeding the data into the AI model, it needs to be prepared. Imagine that the AI is learning from the examples that you give it. You would therefore need to label each individual tooth on all your radiographs. With the labeled dataset prepared, the AI model can be trained. During training, the model learns to recognize patterns and features in the data that correlate with the individual teeth. Once the model is trained, it needs to be evaluated to assess its performance. This is done by feeding it unseen data and comparing its predictions against the known labels. Finally, based on the results of your tests, you can make adjustments to improve your model. Creating an AI system is often an iterative process. It may require multiple cycles of training, testing, and refinement to achieve the desired results. Here are a few methods that are currently being applied in dentistry. Classification may entail predicting a type of lesion or condition given a patient's image. This method can be used to determine potentially malignant lesions. Next, we have segmentation, like what we saw in our first example. It means dividing an image into different regions and assigning each region a semantic label. Object detection is the process of finding possible lesions or abnormalities in images. This is usually accomplished by projecting these lesions' locations as bounding boxes. Finally, prediction modeling can be used to make predictions based on historical data. For example, predicting the success or failure rate of certain treatments. AI finds several applications in dentistry, like diagnosis and treatment planning, image analysis, patient management, and robotics. The potential impact of AI in dentistry is substantial. Here's a few examples of how it's being used today. AI can detect caries and other dental lesions on panoramic and intraoral radiographs. This can aid and automate the dental charting process. In endodontics, AI helps with identifying periapical lesions, segmenting root canal morphology, detecting crown and root fractures, as well as estimating the necessity for retreatment. Periodontology has seen applications for identifying alveolar bone loss and compromised teeth on dental X-rays and predicting the progression of periodontal disease using biomarker data. In orthodontics, AI can automate cephalometric analysis and enable 3D airway assessment. And in oral and maxillofacial surgery, AI can aid in detecting conditions like ameloblastomas and odontogenic keratocysts or impacted teeth. It can also help in identifying maxillofacial fractures, maxillary sinus pathologies, detecting oral cancers, and segmenting anatomy. For implantology, it assists in identifying and classifying dental implants, detecting fractures and peri-implant bone loss, and automating parts of the treatment plan. Its integration with CAD/CAM technology enables the rapid design of prostheses. It also has application in its shade matching, designing implant surgery templates, and even predicting the debonding of restorations. In conclusion, AI can serve as an additional resource in dental offices to help enhance overall healthcare outcomes for patients. Its significance becomes even more pronounced in regions lacking access to dental services, where AI can fill critical gaps. I hope you found this video informative and thank you so much for watching.